I'm Jake. I'm going to show you how to use TSP programming on Keithley instruments to increase the speed of your tests and to eliminate the overhead of PC communication. When programming in TSP, the first step is to download and install Test Script Builder. This is a Lua-based programming interface that works as any other standard IDE. You're able to use common programming structures like if statements, for loops, and while loops integrated with our TSP commands. As you can see, it's going to just be standard text-based programming and allows you the flexibility to create your own programs as complex or as simple as you desire. You can also run from TSP when connected to an instrument, and then you can also import scripts and export them for use on instruments specifically. You're also able to use the reference manual to get information about other commands used in TSP. Here we can see the DAQ 6510 reference manual. This provides significant information about the instrument and its functionality, as well as the SCPI and TSP command set information. In this menu you can find a lot of information about the TSP command set and how to work with it, as well as a full list of supported TSP commands. If you select one of these commands, you'll be able to see a short description, some of the arguments, some examples, and related commands usable with this interface. Now that we've learned how to use TSP programming and we've successfully exported that program onto a USB, we're going to show you how to load the script onto either our graphical or VFD display instruments. We're going to start by inserting the USB drive into the front panel of the instrument. We're then going to press the menu key. Under the Scripts tab, press Manage. You'll see here the USB scripts and an internal scripts area. You're going to want to press on the script you want to export. Use the arrow to move that into the internal scripts. It will copy over. And then as you can see, you can pull the USB out and those are saved to the internal scripts. If you reinsert the drive, you'll have access to the scripts on the internal and on the USB. You then go to Menu and Run Scripts, and you'll get access to all those scripts, including those on the USB. You can choose Run Selected or Copy to Power Up, and this will give all the settings you desire on Power Up and can run your script from start. You can press the Home tab and also go to this No Script option at the top and select any of those scripts as well. By pressing that, you'll start your script automatically, and that will run. Next, we're going to show you how to use it on our VFD display instruments. We'll begin with the 2612B in the same way as before by inserting the USB stick into the front of the instrument. We will then press the menu key. We'll select Script, which will be blinking. We'll then select Load. We'll select our USB. We'll key over to the script folder and select that option, and then select the TSP script. This will successfully load the script into the instrument. We will then press the exit key until we are back at the main screen of the instrument. From here we'll press the run key, and you'll have all the parameters and options for your test to be run. We don't have a DUT set up on our instrument, but this is where you would then be able to select your parameters and run your test. Thanks for watching. So we've learned how to build TSP scripts, export them to a USB, load them into both the graphical and VFD display instruments, and run a quick, complex script on an instrument without a PC.